Are there invisible monsters floating in space, swallowing stars, bending time and breaking the laws of physics? Yeah, I'm talking about black holes. And no, they're not just science fiction. They're real. They're terrifying. And they might be way closer than you think. Let's start with the basics. A. Black hole is basically space gone wrong. Imagine squeezing something so tightly that it collapses under its own weight. Not just crushed, but compressed into a point so small and dense that the laws of physics just give up. That's a black hole. Gravity becomes a beast so powerful that not even light, light, the fastest thing in the universe can escape. That invisible edge. It's called the event horizon, aka the cosmic no-turning back zone. Once something crosses it, it's gone. Forever, the center of the unknown. And at the heart of every black hole lies the singularity. An infinitely dense point where space and time literally break down. We don't know what happens there. Our math falls apart. Reality kind of glitches. Think of it like this. If the universe is a computer, black holes are the weird bugs that crash the system. Types of black holes? Real cosmic beasts? No. Not all black holes are the same. There are two big ones we know a lot about. 1. Stellar black holes. These guys are formed when massive stars run out of fuel, explode, and collapse in on themselves. They're usually about 10 to 20 times the mass of our sun. They're everywhere. Seriously, our Milky Way might have millions of them hiding out, just floating silently in the dark too. Supermassive black holes. These are the bosses. We're talking millions, even billions of times more massive than our sun. And get this, almost every big galaxy has one sitting right at its center. Including ours, at the heart of the Milky Way is Sagittarius. It's so huge its gravity controls how stars move in our entire galaxy, how we know they're real. Okay, so if black holes suck in light and disappear, how do we even know they exist? Good. Question, scientists can't see black holes directly, okay, but they can see the chaos they cause. When gas and dust spiral toward a black hole, it heats up and glows like crazy. That glowing disk is called an accretion disk. It tells us something big and hungry is nearby. And then there are quasars. It's powerful beams of energy blasting out of supermassive black holes. We're talking some of the brightest things in the universe, coming from the darkest objects in existence. Wild, right? Now here's a cool bit of history. Back in 1916, a guy named Carl Schwarzschild was fiddling around with Einstein's new theory of general relativity and figured out that any mass could become a black hole if compressed enough. But it was just just theory. Fast forward to 1971. Astronomers looking at a star system in the Cygnus constellation noticed something strange. A star was wobbling like it was dancing around nothing. Turns out it wasn't nothing. It was the first confirmed black hole, from theory to reality, in less than a century. Why? It matters. So here we are living in a universe with invisible beasts warping space and time, swallowing stars and anchoring galaxies, and we still don't fully understand them, but maybe that's the point. Black holes remind us how much mystery is still out there. They're not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're windows into the unknown, and who knows? One day we might find that black holes don't just destroy, maybe they create something too. Until then, we'll keep staring into the dark. And wondering if this blew your mind even a little, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending. Science made simple. Let me know in the comments, what would you do if you could safely travel into a black hole? See you in the next video, unless I fall into a singularity first.